Alright, so for the slot machine, we have our three class types. We have slot, reels, bets, and then slot has reels, slot has bets. Here's the private variables, and then here are some of our private methods and public ones, and then private variable within reels and three public methods, two private variables and bets, and two public methods. So if we take a look right over here at the actual program, if we look into main, right at the beginning we get, we instantiate sran time null so that we can use random. We create an object of reels x, which reels is right up somewhere around here. Yeah, there it is. And then bets, and then we create a type slot, and we call it test, and we pass in x, which is our reels variable, and we pass in b, which is our bets variable, and then we do test, and we call the method showing. Now remember, test was our slot, so let's go up into slot, and we call the method showing. So payout is a variable and private variable within the class slot, and then we say payout equals pull lever. You go up to pull lever. Basically what it does is it uses bet and place a bet, which is in the bet class, and if we go down to place bet, it's like how much would we like to wager. We say X amount, and then it has a little conditional here. If you bet more than you have, it tells you that. Then we go back up into our slot, which was showing because we called that in the main, and then we run through a for loop 3 times to represent the 3 different reels of a slot machine in display. And then we go, here's our array that we instantiated right up top here called reel3 of type reels, and at that index we show, which is just a basic method of showing you whatever value we got, basically, if for the random spinning. And then we, which I think that actually got calculated from display. Yes, sorry, I skipped that step. In display, we assign, that's when we call the spin method, which gives a value, so then we can, see out and then show. Which I can go over that real quick. The spin method is in here, and it's just a random number between 1 and 20, and then it returns the value. Super simple. We see out in line for formatting's sake, and then we do check win. Check win is just seeing a conditional if we hit the jackpot. If we were a jackpot, we get paid out 40, and if not, sorry, you're a loser. And yeah, that is the basic flow, really summed up, of our SlotsUML project.